It's important to offer tips to your customers on how to drive more safely and avoid collisions, especially in the winter. We're going to find out why next.
This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
Offering your customers safe driving tips will show them that you care, build loyalty, and keep your brand front and center with them. Do you do this, especially in winter when driving conditions are the worst? Tips you can offer them include: check your visibility by adding DE-ICER to your windshield wiper fluid, making sure your windshield wipers are ice-free before heading out on the road, making sure all mirrors are clear and properly adjusted for visibility, cleaning your headlights and checking the bulbs in all of your vehicle lights, clearing the snow and ice from the sensors in your bumpers, windshield, front headlamps, and side mirrors. Slow down and stay back. When there is snow or ice on the ground, drop your speed to a safe limit. Leave extra distance between your vehicle and the car in front of you for additional safety. Do not use cruise control on icy roads. Use caution on bridges, overpasses, and infrequently traveled roads. Use extra caution when driving on one-lane roads. Prepare for a snow day. If your vehicle has rear-wheel drive, use something heavy like bags of sand to make it easier to control the vehicle. Pack a snow day kit with water, a blanket, first aid kit, and more, just in case you get stuck. Prepare a toolbox for digging your car out, with items like a foldable shovel, 2x4 planks to put under your tires, ice scraper, and more. Posting tips like these on social media, sending them out in an e-newsletter, or keeping a stack of flyers in your customer reception area will keep your shop top of mind in case your customer needs your services again, and, more importantly, show that you care. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.